Alright guys, so we got a new project. It's an H2. We've been wanting to start a project on the H2 for a while, and now we get to. So what we're gonna do now is just start looking for any body work that it needs, any little dents, and fix them up real quick. Off the bat, the one I noticed was this one. It has a little dent here. It's not that bad, but you know it's noticeable. So we're gonna have to fix that. This is not really. This is just paint's falling off. Anything else? Again here, paint's falling off. This is pretty much up nothing. There's a little dent here, so we're gonna have to try to fix that. Oh look, there's one right here. I'm gonna have to fix that one. Anywhere else? So alright, as you can see, there's another one right here. It's really big, so we're gonna have to fix that. Oh, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sand down these first to bond it, make it straight, and then go ahead and sand the vehicle all the way around. But for that, I don't see any on the hood, none here either. I don't see any on the hood. Let's check the roof. So the roof doesn't really have anything. It's just pretty much paint's falling off. There's some paint falling off over there, but it's pretty much not body work. It's just paint falling off that we can fix. We just sand it down and then put the Raptor over it. Over here we got a little bit of rust, but gotta fix that definitely. But other than that, there's nothing wrong with the roof at all. So body work, it's pretty easy. So we'll get that real done. We'll get that done fast. Correction. So let's just get to that, guys. All right.
Alright guys, so we did a lot today on the H2 and it's pretty easy guys, anybody could do this. And the way that we do it is we take it by sections, and the front fender is one section, and as soon as we sand it well done, no more clear coat, we move on to the next section, which is the door, and we sand it, and if it needs any body work, we go ahead and do the body work. But in this case it didn't need body work, so we did this and did this. And as soon as we're done with that, we move on to the next section and so on and so forth. My cousin Art did this front section, which is the hood, and he did a pretty good job. And we were teaching him at the way. And guys, if we would have not done this, which is right here, the front grill, the customer will never know that we did it. So, and by me saying that is that there's a grill right here and it covers this part. And if we would have not wrapped this, he was never gonna know. But we like to do it the right way. So the grill covers it right here, and if we would not do it the right way, we just would have wrapped this up. But knowing us, we like to do it the right way, and we taught Art how to do it the right way. So we went ahead and took it off and sanded all the way around, taped around, and that's pretty much it. Art?
Alright guys, so my section was this front head. I scuffed it all, make sure there was no clear coat on it, and it was pretty simple. The only problem was over here behind the windshield wipers. At first I didn't know how to take them off, and it was pretty hard to scuff it all under here. I asked for help, and I found out that it was just a little lever, what's it called, that you push and it pops right off. Then I could get it right under here, and it was pretty simple after that. Over here on the
grill?
On the grill, it wasn't that hard to take it off. It was about 4 to 8 screws, and it came right off. This made it simple for me to put tape around the lights and scuff it all around here. That was it for my section today. It was pretty good.
All right, good job, Art.
Alright guys, well that marks day one. We did a lot today. We pretty much almost done with the whole H2, and all we need is the back to scuff it and the roof, which we'll do tomorrow, which is day 2. And other than that, guys, just thank you for your support and like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Oh wait, hold on. A lot of viewers are asking us to give you guys an update on the 7.3 truck. And
Wait, the legendary.
oh, legendary.
Okay.
My bad. So, well, here's the update. What we did is we pretty much sanded. We still need to sand, but we pretty much did the first layer of prime, as you can see, all the way around. We still need to keep sanding because there's some spots that we missed, but we'll work on it. That's pretty much it. This is the update so far. It's coming out pretty good. So again, guys, thank you a lot for your support, and
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Okay, like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.
All right.